So this is insane. I want to share with you how we increase the conversion rate on our demo form from around 10% to 30%. And what I'm about to run through would be equally applicable for an opt-in form. So you've got a page where you want to collect a lead, or a triage form where somebody wants to book some time with you and you want to pre-qualify that person before they book a time with you. So I'm going to hit our get free demo button on our website, and you can see that this here is something that we call a lead gateway. It's a form to collect a lead, and in this context, we're using it as our demo page. Check this out. I've opened this up with a cryptic question. Now, the reason that I'm highlighting this, cryptic question, what comes first, leads or sales? Is B2B-io the right fit for you? Once again, this could be a page offering a gift like a lead magnet, or it could be a page saying, do you qualify for a strategy session or something like that, or a funnel mapping session. Now have a look at this behind the scenes. All right, so what was it called? Is this the right fit for you? The original one was this form here, and I'm going to show you what this looked like. So is B2B-io the right fit for you? Let's find out. What best describes you right now? I want more leads. I want more sales. I want better tracking, all of the above. Now, that's a pretty good opening question, because I know what I want. And usually most people are going to say all of the above. They're going to click the button and it's going to start. And the moment that a form has been started, people are more likely to finish it, yeah? Which is why this particular form of page generally has a pretty high conversion rate, particularly if you're offering a lead or inviting someone to book some time with you. All right, so that there was 11.91%. That's the conversion. So we changed it up, and this is what I changed it to. What comes first, leads or sales? And it's a cryptic question. What does come first, leads or sales? Leads come before sales. Bam. And we're away. So check this out. This one here has got 360 views and 43 registrations. This one has 151 views and 45 registrations, 45 requests for a demo. So this one has got more leads than the other one with less than half the traffic. Wild. And that largely came about because of the opening question and the sequence of the opening questions. What comes first, leads or sales? Leads. What best reflects your situation? I'm the boss. And now we go into some of those questions about the outcomes that people want. So the lesson here is, when you want someone to complete an online form, for example, if you want someone to opt in for a gift, why not open it up with a no-brainer question, such as, what best reflects your situation? Then they answer the question and the process begins. Or why not start with a cryptic question that they just simply have got to know the answer? What comes first, leads or sales? Is it leads? I hope it's leads before sales. I better find out. And then they click the question. Increased demos, which means that the same principles should be able to help you increase conversions on opt-ins and increase conversions on triage calls or request to book time with you. Wild.